Number 1. 1931 Chevrolet Classic. Price, $27,000. Location, Pensacola, Florida. This beautifully presented 1931 Chevrolet Classic 3W window coupe stands as a timeless example of early American automotive craftsmanship blended with tasteful modern upgrades. With only 2,400 miles driven since its rebuild, this coupe offers a rare mix of originality, strength, and road-ready dependability. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, the car delivers a clean, classic presence suitable for weekend cruising or display at vintage car gatherings. Under the hood sits a strong 327 Chevy small block engine equipped with classic double hump heads, providing the perfect balance of reliable performance and traditional hot rod character. The blockhugger headers paired with mirror finish MagnaFlow mufflers give the car a deep, confident tone that turns heads even before it's seen. Supporting the powertrain is an original frame, professionally boxed for added strength, complemented by a Ford 9-inch rear end and a Heights front suspension designed for improved handling. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, adding convenience to the car's classic charm. Inside, new Pro Car seats provide comfort, while a Hurst floor shifter and odometer gauges enhance the driving experience with a period-correct hot rod feel. The build is clean, well-maintained, and impressively solid from top to bottom. For enthusiasts seeking a high-quality early 1930s Chevrolet coupe that blends heritage with reliability, this example represents exceptional value. Number 2. 1935 Plymouth Coupe. Price, $32,500. Location, Atlanta, Georgia. This 1935 Plymouth Coupe is an all-steel classic that blends vintage motor style with the aggressive performance expected from a well-built street machine. Finished in slick turquoise paint that highlights its smooth body lines, this coupe stands out instantly at shows, meets, or weekend cruises. Power comes from a 383-stroker engine delivering strong acceleration and a deep, unmistakable muscle car tone. Paired with a 350 automatic transmission, it offers both brute strength and easy drivability. The Mustang II front end provides improved handling, better steering response, and a more controlled ride. The exterior showcases fresh paint with a glossy finish that emphasizes the car's proportions. Inside, the interior is clean, functional, and ready for cruising without the need for major upgrades, ideal for anyone seeking a dependable all-steel coupe that is both rare and desirable. This 1935 Plymouth offers impressive value and remains a strong candidate for shows or weekend enjoyment. Number 3. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Price, $27,500. Location, Auburn, Georgia. This 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe offers a bold blend of vintage design and upgraded functionality. Finished in bright red, it has a striking look that captures attention immediately. Powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a 400 transmission, it provides smooth acceleration and comfortable driving. The Mustang II front end contributes to improved steering, handling, and overall road manners. The vehicle comes equipped with air conditioning, heat, power steering, power brakes, and power windows, making it far more user-friendly than a stock 38 model. Shaved door handles add a clean, modern touch, ideal for cruising or car shows. This Master Deluxe balances classic styling with practicality. Number 4. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $26,000. Location, Gann, Kentucky. This 1934 Chevrolet Master Sedan Coupe stands out as a rare, true survivor that has not been modified, cut, or transformed into a hot rod. Retaining its full originality, including its factory 6V electrical system, it provides an authentic look into early Chevrolet craftsmanship. With only 1,111 miles shown, it runs, starts, and drives remarkably well. The paint, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. The interior is also in good shape, maintaining its original character without major deterioration. The seller purchased it as a project but no longer needs it. The price is firm, reflecting the rarity of an unaltered 34 Chevy Coupe. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery. Price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the fifth 8 sedan delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe. Price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy Crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seatbelts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck. Price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod. Price, $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. with only 1,783 actual miles. This award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Gucci's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality.